Onchumulilia Ndizi TV na mange agenrete ime yense yechiwa Kenya anenomono ase orogongo rwagusi chitariki ninye omutienyi okane mwaka w'ekirubere n'emerongo ebere na inye hase igongo kwaria ni bene ase AMAYIA CHINSA ISANO na IBERE chabano mugaseretera n'engoro kwa job MAANGI na batoko batokubwaterana nere linde kwene kichipi chechi boigo na mariogi abere wikera asenchera yobwekera nigakoro kwa Sara MOMANYI oyo kwene kiyankonyorora mangana wetera asenchera yomunwa wimanyererio nigakoro kwa LYDIA MOSE nkwira nande asikagetere tambe imekobamanya narali abere gwate korwa kete CHINSA chamambi wikera bono mugaso. Mwanchumulilia Ndizi TV AMAYIA ni gotoko ya chakakorwa ase county ya Kisii ase kiombekeria FIDA bose asomona weke nyamunero Federation of Women Lawyers in Kenya babere bagotwara egeikaro nagosemia abagaka nabangina igoro yechinchera baraye bakogayana nagosonsora na chisegi chegenka elinde kwene kinga ebina ebinge mbiri kogenda ase ensemeria yekigambero omuriega obagokwandiganibwa ase umubuganyo yomo ime ye county ya Kisii ase boigo abagaga babakogoka ase ngencho yokobwatisibwa na boigo ko kwegwa libagalia bene lyokosemigwa igure chinchira barabe bakwene kinga babere bakora chisegi chegenka.
MOMANYI Heritage Council members, and we want to talk to them and train them about the informal justice systems, because we believe women access justice in many ways, and one way in which women access justice is through the informal justice systems. As having our offices where we have the offices, we want to use the people that we have in the grassroots, the people that live with the indigent women that live in the grassroots, the people that the women go to ask questions, to seek help, and we are here today to just sensitize them about the informal justice system, about what the law says, about it being
kubwatana kurigereria injira kitura bwatane na barobu kugaya no mu Gusii amangana amanga asarekire Gusii abana baitiru bagutibongwa na intubuna mwanyage tingerite council ase siro yaito ya obugambi ntobwata bagayani lakini bono ntubwati siro togutamira elira tokonye ikyari bitage bigendrete Gusii nebinge abantu baito bafida abo bacha gotosira na gotosemi na kitubwenete kubwatira na buno mu Gusii okonye
Boskabosio asengana egendrete imense ichwa Kenya na ende yabere wikira ase chiwiki isatonigo chingaki omogiro bonyagitali ogendrete ime ichinsemo au imense ichwa Kenya nigo abaruira bange bagendrete gochandika ase bali bakuligia okurwaligwa asinyagitali chiria chia serikali wikira bono iga nigo boigo abonchulilia abali bakora obonchulilia ange nichinyagitali chiri chia serikali anemono bali bakora obosombi bolia bwa boda kurwa asensemeye mugutia asende na boigo bali bakonia ebintu ange nechinyagitali babere bakwemurunganeria okwira nanse kuboncherere bwabo asengencho nigo umubaro bwabalia bakuligia okurwaligwa na boigo obokoleri asinyagitali obeire kokogenda inse.
Hata sisi tulikuwa tunatengeneza hata 1000 na kwa siku. Saa hii hata kuna mambo mingi natushinda. Shauri tulikuwa tunabeba watu wanakujaga usiku wanarudi wanakujaga wanaenda. Na madaktari pia tulikuwa tunawabeba asubuhi na jioni. Lakini sasa hivi leo wamegoma, hakuna madaktari, hata nao abiria customer hizi kuja kuangalia watu juu hakuna mwenye analazwa sasa kwa ward.
Biashara iko chini sana juu ndio tunategemea kulipia watoto school fees, kununua chakula, kulipa rent. Juu tunauza matunda hapa nje ya gate ya hospitali. Juu hata hakuna watu, madaktari nao wamegoma.
Kwa hakika tangia asubuhi utapata kwamba ni mtu mmoja ama wawili ndio wamepata shilingi 100. So kuna shida kabisa. Wale viongozi wetu wa taifa ukiongozwa na rais wetu waweze kusikia hii kilio ya madaktari na wakae pamoja na wasikizane ili kazi irudi kama jinsi ilivyo.
Boska bosio ase oroboti rurengete omugiro bw'abanyagitari bono nigo ensemo yaba bunge abe bunge enene ya Kenya babeire bagotebanga nigo barachikwa okoboko omuswada bokumwaka isiko omwaziri bwobochenu Suzana Kumincha asengenchi gutaikirania obokoreri bwaye bunebwenrete ngana boigo yabirige kwirera omugiro bw'abanyagitari kogendera ko baroro asegeka keregetambe bagukwana ase amagacho amanene ye bunge bakorawa aboigo numu bunge olia o Embakasi East Babu Owino oyobeire gakoba ase omustari obosio ase okwa okoboko omuswado yinabo wikirania omuswado yibosio bwe bunge ni wate abagochakira ewiki egocha nigo barachi goikirania omuswado yibosio bwe bunge ndakwene kinga omwaziri oyungwa kwalisiko ase gotaikirania obokorere bwaye buna ebwenerete.
We have come up with an impeachment motion. We are going back on Tuesday to Parliament, and this is the letter that we've sent to the clerk of the National Assembly SOFA on an impeachment motion that we want to impeach the Cabinet Secretary for Health.
Matters baby care and antenatal, matters cancer. I thought those are things that the woman, having a woman minister and a woman PS in the same docket, I thought we would have the ceiling uncovered. But I'm very disappointed with Nakumicha.
Pay us what you owe us. Employ doctors, even if they are not tenders, we know. So it is not attractive. But do the godly thing.
Tumika kwa mambo madogo madogo, ati hospitality sijui kumetumika mamilioni mangapi, ati sijui travels kumetumika mamilioni mangapi, na jambo la afya linawekwa nyuma, jambo la afya ambalo ni jambo ambalo ndo litasimamisha nchi ama litaangusha.
Bogoska bosionigo omwaziri wobolemi mitika Linturi abeire gagosaba koirege tambo kero kyabwango elinde gotanga okoboro kwendagera ase amatuko abosio mboigo nigo abeire gakomochigwa ase gotairege tambo kero kyabwango asengencho nigo abalemi abange babere bakwemurunganelia koneligwa obwoyo boli botali oboronge ka okwana korwa ase CHINSA nchiria kya Meru omobunge wensemo elia ya MBERE no fa samareta Geoffrey Ruku nigo abagakomochia omuwaziri inagosabanga nigo abwenrete koira obogetambo kero kabwenrete na boigo abarayibonsi bare ase wizara yobolemi kosabwanga babe bakwirige tambo kero kabwenrete line kwene kinga antoriko chikoborwa endagera ase amatuko ale hosio.
The president and his government, they are committed to food security. And if there is anybody within the Ministry of Agriculture who is responsible of the fake fertilizer, of substandard fertilizer within the depots of National Cereal Board across the nation, that person should resign from the ministry immediately. Even if it's Linturi, seriously Linturi, you have to work. We should not be having claims of fake fertilizers in the Republic of Kenya. And it's a shame when the president is working day and night to ensure kuna fertilizer kutoka huko ngambo inafika Mombasa, then there are middlemen people who are intercepting this fertilizer to dilute it. The Minister of Agriculture, C.S. Linturi, please take responsibility. We cannot, not even a single minute, joke with the full security of the nation.
Bogoska bosionigo ekamati yechisemi ime bunge enene ya Kenya bere komochia serikali ansengencho yokonyorwa gwechibesa chiricho gusira chu university na boigo gusira aboro kiwachiria cha helba engana yabere koirera emerobelio emenge as university au gotenena na boigo taikirani gwa abuna ebwenda tebago kwana as university ya koitalele gotoka ime ye county ya Nandi nigo ababunga abo bago saba serikali kobe ka emeroberio ebwenrete kwene kinga chibese chungwikira na chire ase chinga kichibwenrete inde kwene kinga chisemi nchirigo chigotene wana bwe goturubaniwa ase ngencho ya mangana anga una ayuo.
There is a delay in the release of the scholarships amount to the institution, and also a delay in the release of HELB amount by the Higher Education Loans Board. That amount has affected the running of our institution, of our universities, and as a committee of education in Parliament, which oversees the Ministry of Education, we shall ensure that that money is released as a matter of urgency.
Do note that the banding model, where there were 4 bands in the new funding model, there were 4. But currently, we are being made aware of a 5th level, which is now not very clear because that's not what was agreed on, that's not what was communicated to the Parliament and also to the institutions.
So the only thing we are appealing to the university, they only have 2 programs, that is Education Arts and then Faculty of Commerce, which we are asking them now, they have to expand these programs to ensure that they are capturing most students who have need to come to university, especially something to do with a course or a program to do with the
Togoskabosio asingana erengete okuburwa kuburendi bono nigo omugavana we county area ya Kakamega Chingaki ale gosio lyabose gosira okuigorwa ku muradi bwa mache ase egetuo ekemo kyabanyanyimbo abagagosaba eserikali kwene kingango tingiere oburendi ye maega yabalende babere goitwa ase nchera yobututukanu engana yaberege kwirera okuburwa kuburendi ase nsemeyo ase ensemo yabamenyi bensemeyo aba lenge nobororo obonene babete bago sagana egetuo ekemo kyabanyanyimbo engana bete kwirera okuburwa komorembe ase egeka asebona abagosabanga onye abanyanyimbo naboigo eserikali namenyi kibara bakubwaterana babakwene kinga babere bagokora okuburwa kuburendi ase ensemo eyo ya Kakamega.
Nashukuru sana our security agencies, especially having moved in speed to contain the situation ambayo ilikuwa kule Koyonzo. We condemn the killing of our 2 guards kule Koyonzo over the weekend, and I want to assure the police that we are going to collaborate with you. Let us move with speed ili wale ambao walihusika kwa yale mauaji kule Koyonzo, they must be brought to book. Justice must be done to the families ambazo zilipoteza wenzao kule Koyonzo. And in Kakamega County, we cannot tolerate mambo ya uwaji, robbery. Those are things which we don't want to hear in this county. So I want to officially appreciate our security agencies. Please let us pursue wale ambao walihusika kule ili waweze kupewa adhabu.
Abamenyi be bunge area bose county area ya Bungoma nigo barachi konyora amagendro amange no moiso omonene ase obunjulia ye maega ye serikali koralianga oma agochengera okonene kolia gwense kwa madaraka de nigo korabe gochengerwa ase county yo ase bonoiga serikali gwetera ase wizara area yo bosombi egendrete kubeka emeroberio anene mono ase okwene kianga abamenyi bense yunkonyora bale chipara chingiya una enjira eyemo yokwalgania oguchengera okuo kweli tukolinene lya madaraka bagokwana kurwa ase county ya Bungoma ase babagotwara chinkwana nabo igosanga nabarayi kurwa ase county area ya Bungoma nigo mwaziri wobosombi Kipchumba murukome nabo igo omonogeli bwe bunge enene Moses Witangula babakwene kinga nige serikali era chigo ikirania amagendro nabo igo roberio abosio bwetaro yomurai bwenze ya matuko atato chinga kiekyo barachigo chengera lituko lya madaraka omoyego rabe kokwaliganirwa ase county eyo.
There are certain infrastructure plans that we have put in place, and I have apprised the leadership here that is going to resolve infrastructure problems in the town of Bungoma. This is a progress that we want to make sure that the very critical areas work is completed before 1st of June. Remember also, we are very conscious as a ministry about quality of the infrastructure we deliver. So we will put more energy on the ones that we need by 1st of June. But our commitment is beyond roads that we need for 1st of June.
Of immediate concern is that we have 2 months to go to Madaraka, and that we want to have a Marshall Plan to ensure that when the president comes to Bungoma, and we know he has committed that he will be here for 3 good days. There must be a mini state lodge ready, roads around it ready, stadium ready, roads around it ready, the airstrip ready and functioning, and many other.
Mwanchumurelia Ndizi TV oroboti rukurwa ase county ya Bungoma noto ichiwikira omwelio wa mang'anama ya CHINSA ISANO na IBERE chabono mugaso eriterane nkoro kwa job MAANGI no yobaga kwene kinga chibichechi boigo na maliogi aberega wikira asenchera yobwekera niga koro kwa Sara Momanyo yone kinkonyorole amang'ana gwetera ase omonwa bwimanyerelio niga koro kwa LYDIA MOSE wikira chinga kichinde na abatakeire oburigereria obuya ime Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu ubwo Gusii.